guys, welcome back to another video. I wanted to come and do some hairstyles that I have been loving on my mini twist. As you guys can see, it still has some curl left over. I've been curling my ends, that is why they look like this, but I just wanted to come and show you guys some hairstyles, some quick and easy hairstyles that you can do on mini twists if you have them. So the first hairstyle I'm gonna do is probably the easiest. If you did go ahead and add curls to the hair, the easiest thing to do is to either do a middle part like this, and then just make sure you fluff out the curls so that you have some volume, or to go ahead and either do a side part on either side just to give it some versatility. And you can always just kind of play with like the side parts. But yeah, I always love after a couple days how my hair looks. So this is like literally the easiest thing you can do with your hair. So my next go-to style is obviously we're gonna pull out 2 strands here. They're already curled, and then I'm gonna take some hair here in the middle. I'm gonna do a half up, half down. I always like to leave out like some hair right here because I don't want all the hair to be going up into this half up, half down. Going with a satin scrunchie. This one is from Mood. I got this a while back, so yeah. Going with this one. And then what I like to do is to make sure I flatten out the scrunchie, and then we're going to separate the hair at the top. And then as for like the hair that hangs here, you're gonna want to either use a clip or something just to kind of weigh it down for a little bit so that it can fall into place, or you can spray it with water because that's going to be like the faster option. But you have more time to do this hairstyle, then all you would need is some clips. But yeah, this is my like second go-to hairstyle for mini twists. So yeah, this is so cute, y'all. Like, it gives the hair volume, but it's also just very cute and simple, and your curls still look good. So my next go-to hairstyle is going to be this cute like 90s hairstyle. And honestly, you could like, it's still going to be coming out of this half down, half up, half down kind of effect, but we're going to be taking the rest of the hair on the sides that we left out. We're going to take all the hair on the sides that we left out, just because you're not going to want to see the scrunchie. We're going to do a regular loop. Once we get to the back of the hair, we're going to pull it from behind forward. Okay, so it's going to create this kind of loop at the back here. We're going to separate the hair. Yeah, excuse him walking in the back, y'all. This is, let me actually put this on here. I do have a little light left. I do have like my little light left, so I'm gonna use just a little bit. I'm not gonna do too much because I want to use this light for later. So just so y'all can see a little bit better. This is what the hair is looking like, and you get this kind of like cute curly top half, but you still get the, you know, the little 2 front pieces in the front here. Let's check out the hairstyle. So this is the little bun in the back that you would get, and then this is the front portion of how it look. So this is my third go-to hairstyle. 4, we're gonna go with 2 buns. I haven't done this one in a while, but I really do want to try this one. We're gonna go around twice with the scrunchie because I still want to do that 2 bun effect, but it's gonna be in the same way that we just did the last hairstyle. And my hair is a little bit longer, so it might not hang the same way, but I feel like it's still super cute. So I'm going to do the opposite side. Like this side, my hair is a little bit fuller than this side, and this side is just a little longer. So I need to pull some more back. Okay, so it's like a mini buns, I guess you can call them, but so yeah, I would just kind of play with them just to kind of get them how you want them. because yeah, the fullness of your hair is still gonna, you know, change up the look of the finished style. So you can always like pull some out to make it look a little bit more, you know, a little bit more different. So this is what we're looking like right now. Hopefully you guys can see. And then I'll turn around in the back. And I feel like this one is like really cozy for the fall if you don't want to have your hair on your shoulders. Here's the next hairstyle. We're going to do a flip over type of swoop. I'm gonna leave this part out. This is like my edge hair. That is like, it's the front, so basically it's like the shortest, but we're gonna leave that out. We're gonna take this section right here in front of the hair. We're gonna leave that out for a bang. Take the rest of my hair, and I feel like I do a lot of half ups, half downs, because I don't know, that's just what I like, but I feel like they're all cute. So I'm gonna take the hair that's left over on this side, okay, now that we have that, I'm gonna take my scrunchie at the top. We're gonna do our same little thing, scrunch the hair, pull it apart. Now if you want to make the hair a little bit taller here, you can add another scrunchie at the top, over top of the other one. What they saying on the news? Huh? I said, what they saying on the news? Yeah, we're talking about like the blood areas not going into the water because they can't see what's down there. They said that on the news. Niggas just need to listen. It was working, but it stopped. Oh. Okay guys, so here's the next hairstyle. You have a bang, you have a half up, half down. So this is what it's looking like. Yeah. Okay guys, so here's the next hairstyle that I want to try. Honestly, I have lost count of what hairstyle we're on. I think we're on hairstyle 5 or 6, but editing mode will take care of that. So the next one that I want to try is a bun hairstyle. So we're still going to do the 2 pieces in the front. Okay. I'm then going to do a pullback. I'm kind of wanting to do a piece here too, but I feel like that's going to be a no. Now with this one, I think I'm going to use another satin scrunchie. So I'm going to get my hair to the back of my head here. Y'all see? Get my hair to the back. And then, because I want to leave some curls out. So we're going to go around twice. And then I'm going to do that same effect that I do where I pull the hair from the back. I'm going to pull the hair from the back while I'm twisting from the other arm. Okay, so once I have that, I'm going to bring the hair around and then I'm going to scrunch the hair out so that there's some curl left. So this is how the curl should look at the top. So I think this is cute. If the hair was like fresh and even more defined, but then again, buns are for when your hair is old, okay? Obviously you can still do buns if you want to, you know, regardless of your hair being dirty, but usually I only do a bun if my hair was like really dirty, and barely if that. I'll do a top bun before I do that. But yeah, so I'm going to let the clips weigh my hair down a little bit in the front, and I feel like this always works if you don't want to spray water. So, and then just kind of pull at it a little bit. But yeah, this is the hairstyle. It's so cute, simplistic. Like I say, a great updo if you don't want to have your hair on your shoulders, which is always good because you want to preserve your ends as much as possible. So this is a great bun hairstyle to do that. Alright guys, so here's the last hairstyle I'm going to do. I have my 2 claw clips from Yanni's Best. If you guys have been watching my channel, then you know that I did a collab with Yanni Best, so they sent me over these huge claw clips, like literally the size of my head. So my hair, this is literally made for people that have longer, thicker hair. This hairstyle we're going to do, I'm trying to see if I want to leave some hair out in the front. We're going to take this hair from the front, and this is for like beginner girls. If you don't know how to do a claw clip on your hair, because I was definitely one of those people. So I'm going to take all this hair and pull it to the back, and we're going to do a scrunchie. So we're going to bun this. I'm going to take the rest of this hair here, pull it around the back. We're going to take a scrunchie. I'm going to secure the scrunchie. Okay. Once you do that, this hair is going to go inside of this bun. So you're going to leave this part like this. Once we take this out from the top, let me pull out so you guys can see. We're going to take the hair that's out, and we're going to put it in another scrunchie. Okay. Now, depending on how you want it, you can pull the hair back more, but I'm just gonna leave my hair in this ponytail. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the rest of the hair that's out in the back, and I'm gonna lift it up towards the hair that's already in the ponytail, for real. And then I'm gonna take the rest of my hair with the claw clip. Okay, this is gonna cover the entirety of the back of your head. So you really don't have to worry about it looking clean. And then what you're gonna do is just allow the hair to flip back. The claw clip will take care of the rest. So this is what it's going to look like. Just like that. You got an easy claw clip hairstyle. And that's why I love this one, because it doesn't take much effort and it doesn't take that much time. Like I was saying, my claw clip might be a little bit crooked because I can't see as good in this mirror, but I mean I can see good, but obviously my hand might not be straight, but it still gives you the effect you need with the claw clip. So yeah, this is my last hairstyle. Definitely a go-to. It's probably one of my first go-tos, but yeah, y'all, this is such a cute style. I would do it 100 times over. If you guys want a video on how I get my hair curled like this, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Become part of the family. Become a brat. That's what we are now. So if you don't want to become a brat, I don't know what to say. But yeah, thank you for watching the video until this point. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video or vlog.